All right, in this video, we're going to go over how to draw a gas mask. I'm thinking specifically there was this one in Resident Evil, like the movie, that I really liked. But that's pretty much it. So this is a basic gas mask. Very easy, very simple, okay? So if you've never drawn anything, you will be able to draw this. So let's hop into this. Cool gas mask. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over here and curve around the left side over here. Kind of dipping in and then curving along the right side. By the way, you can do this in anything. You can do this in pencil, pen, whatever you want. Also, don't feel like you have to have every stroke down. Just get the idea of the drawing and it's completely fine, right? Just like close enough. If I was to redraw this again, it would look a little different, you know? So curve over here and curve over here. For kind of the sides of the mask itself. Pulling in just a bit over here, not like a lot. So far you have like this very simplistic, kind of roundish, looks like, I don't know, toast. Right? I don't know, looks something like that. I'm gonna go over here and curve in for one side. Line out. Down, down. You're gonna have, it's like a filter over here on the right, and then pulling to kind of close that line up over here. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification for very simple, easy drawings based on like sci-fi stuff, monsters, anything like that. I love monsters, so that's kind of what channel's really about, scary stuff. And I want you to suggest something because I need items to draw that are scary related. It could be creepypasta stuff, but give me a specific character and I will totally do it and I'll credit you. I'll be like, hey, this person told me to draw that. All right, gonna go over here, curve over here for kind of the line of the filter there, curve over here. And you have that side one right there. I'm gonna pull in just down just a little bit, nothing too wild, and I'm gonna curve along the top, like throwing a curve around here. Pulling down over here. This side doesn't really have it. That side's completely flat, but it's pulling out kind of like an anteater face that a lot of the masks have, right? It pulls out. And alrighty, let's go right into the eyes right here. Curve over here. I have one of these. They're really cool. You have to change the filter up to use them. I use it to paint. You know, when I paint, it's pretty much, you kind of have to use it, you know, for your health. Curve over here. Not like paint like oil paint. I meant like paint like when I paint the wall. And, you know, paint, I had this like action figure I made, like this sculpture, and I kind of painted that. Over here on this side, so we have a circle on that, so with a little bit of a rim around it, very thin. And over here on this side, same thing. And this is my mistake. What I should have done is drawn this one first because I'm right-handed. Because when I was drawing this, I was blocking my own view of this right side. So I should have done left, then right for me. That's just kind of talking out loud there. And I'm going to draw like a little lip around here, just kind of a curved shape for this side. If you find yourself that you have difficulty with like lines in general, let's say you're having like shaky hands, stuff like that, I want you to go to, I have a beginner program for that, 2 places. Number 1, go to the Skillshare. There's one, how to get rid of that shaky hand thing. That's like a 101, super beginner thing that you can get rid of very quickly. And then also there's one on sketchingeasy.com, my website. It's not a finished website yet, but you will find those videos. But yeah. Go check those out when you have time. Go over here. I'm going to kind of thicken this line out a little bit. And over. Thicken this line a little bit. Just to kind of make them match. Because right now they weren't quite matching. All right. Cool. Pull a line down. Curve over the top here. And curve around here. Downward as well. You got that last nozzle to the front there. And then curve. Excuse me. And I'm going to draw a kind of a coin shape on the front. Kind of like a circle. That front end is just like flat out right there. Line right there. kind of flatten it out. That's my own style thing. You can kind of fill it in totally black if you want, but I like that. And then I'm gonna go over here to the right, the latch. Over here is the other latch. And that's mostly it, because we're not gonna draw, well, we're not gonna draw a head along with it. It's just the gas mask itself. And we could draw a line here for like filtered chambers. As far as detail goes, you can draw maybe like a thin line in the center, a very thin line, like the seams, or like they put it together. A lot of cool stuff you could do. But yeah, hopefully, I'm gonna draw a curve here, by the way, a thinner line, just to show that it's curving up, that the shape is kind of going in that direction. And then don't forget the this zigzag. I go with the side of my marker, or you can do the side of your pencil. Zigzag here, maybe like a thinner one. And the reason I do that is because I want to kind of make it look like a reflection. But that is all, okay? I want to thank you very much for watching. Go check out that stuff I was telling you about. That stuff, I'm going to put my full lessons after this. But thank you so much. I will talk to you next time, and I'll see you very, very soon, all right? See ya.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.